Kia ora, it's New Zealand Sign Language Week. Yippee! I'm excited. I'm going to try something different this week and try and connect to the Reo Māori and with sign. So I'm going to give it my best. My pronunciation to Reo Māori may not be the best, but I've been practicing. And so if I haven't quite got it right, when I come into the office on Thursday, I'll be hunting a few colleagues down to say, hey, how did I go? Can you please give me some feedback? That'll be great. So each day I'm going to share just a little video clip of a few signs to practice, or a phrase to practice as well, so you can give it a go. But there's two really important things that I learned in my very first sign language class that we have to, sort of rules of the game really. First one, no talking, no voice. That's really hard, and it still is hard after 2.5 years of learning. You want to talk as you're signing, but you can't. So try that one. Good luck. The second thing, number 2, is you need to look, sign for look. Look at the person that you're signing. Really, really important in the deaf community. Otherwise, it's considered to be rude if you're not looking at them when you're signing. So 2 key things when you're doing that this week. So today we're going to focus on kia ora, tēnā koe, or haere rā and haere atu. So hello and goodbye. And some of the signs are very similar between them. And that's okay, it's all good. So there's 2 signs for kia ora. So try those ones. They're for kia ora. Hello and goodbye are the same signs actually, very similar. So tēnā koe and haere rā and haere atu, or ka kite, or see ya, all mean the same sign. So you could be doing this one, or this, or this. 3 signs that you can use for that. So, hey, best of luck. Give those a go. So when you are greeting your colleagues or your friends or your family in the morning, try some sign as well as your te Reo Māori. Hey, good luck and see you tomorrow. Ka kite.